Hello, my name is Mark Simpson and welcome to my channel. Right here, you are going to get the tools, the tactics, the training, but most importantly, the confidence so you can increase your direct bookings and cut down on your over-reliance on Booking.com, Airbnb, Expedia, and those third parties. What you are going to get from this channel is you are going to get daily videos and posts that is going to help you. All I need for you to do is to make sure you hit that subscribe and follow button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video, post, tactics and advice from myself. If you want to get more and if you want to get daily messages into your WhatsApp, then all you need to do is go to boostly.co.uk/daily boost. boostly.co.uk/DAILYBOOST. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm really looking forward to educating you more and helping you grow your direct bookings and cutting down on your over-reliance on these OTAs.